What are you thinking? Oh man. The Vanquish is coming out. Shout outs to ECH and the team for helping make this happen. Gas Motorsports. Shout outs to Gas Motorsports for transporting this bad boy. This here is my almost 80-year-old mother who's going to be able to drive this. This is coming from Exotic Hunters out of Boca Raton. 2014 Aston Martin Vanquish. Just barely getting out of there. This thing is ridiculous. That's my mommy. That's the Aston Martin.
Hi.
How's it going? This is just unbelievable. Getting it delivered in a church parking lot. Thank you, Lord Almighty.
Front end. Whoa! I can imagine. It's going to be at my house. I can't figure out how you guys got here.
Exotic Hunters.
What were you on 26?
Oh my god, I don't know.
Because our roads in Kenya.
I don't know what else he's delivering, but these guys, this thing is ridiculous too. I don't know what this is.
We went to
The best part of this is not just getting the car, but as we've learned using the ECH method, it's not about the thing, it's not about the car, but it's about the experiences you can have with the car. And being on site with my almost 80-year-old mother, whose first car was a Mach 1, and she hasn't had the privilege of driving a car of this magnitude, spending this time with her minutes after purchasing this car and letting her drive it and leaving it at her house to enjoy is priceless.
All right, there's old mom driving the Aston Martin Vanquish. Almost 80 and driving her first Aston. I know, it's got a heavy steering on it. Cut it hard, turn it hard. Oh, it's my 80-year-old mom trying to drive the Aston Martin Vanquish. Keep going.
I can see it.
Oh, okay. She always likes to yell at me when she's driving. We're gonna see if this this Vanquish will scratch when she's pulling out of her driveway after I got it. So just go slow. Let's see if she scrapes. Turn it to the right. Yeah. Keep going. Keep going. Turn it this way.
I'm bringing back my youth. I mean, you can't believe the 409 I used to race, and obviously it was nothing like this. Wait a minute, I'm gonna put these windows up so I can.
You don't want to hear the exhaust?
No, I can hear it plenty. Are the brakes good on this car as far as the war?
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh God, this. Oh my God.
It's a heavy car. Don't slide off the road.
Why do these two little things popped up here? What's that?
Those are the speakers. They pop up and they project the music at you.
The gears, the gears are weird.
Well, it's because it turned sport mode off. That might make a difference.
Where's the sports mode?
That's the big red button. Just press it. There you go.
Oh, that's a sound too?
Well, yeah, it opens up the exhaust, and then I think it also adjusts the gear shift.
And where do you want to go to the club, or you want to go that way?
Wherever you want to go to the club, that's fine.
This is what. And here's another thing. See where that mirror is?
Just floor it. No, what?
Floor it?
No, I'm kidding. End up in the trees.
Well, I'm gonna tell you something. You'd be surprised how I can drive these cars. And the air conditioning is in my face. I wonder how many miles a gallon this thing gets.
The way you drive, or the way normal people do it?
Oh, honey, it depends on.
I don't know. I haven't even checked. I mean, when you get a car like this, you don't really pay attention to the miles per gallon.
I'm saying I would never take this to the. Should I scare the shit out of somebody?
No.
Is that Brian?
I don't know.
Oh, this is kind of what. Wait a minute.
It's like, who is this lady?
It sounds like a motorcycle.
Yeah, it's definitely loud.
No, this is an easy car to drive. My only concern would be I'm used to making a hard turn.
Yeah.
And not going wide like trucks have to do.
Oh yeah.
Which is not really applicable.
You just.
I can't pull it tight here, though. You're saying.
No. I was talking about when you're coming out of the driveway, just because there's a little bit of.
But you did it at the club.
Well, just because there was a little bit, it was like a dip, and so you don't want to, because the front end on this is long, and all that front end is carbon fiber. You don't want to scratch it underneath. So you're trying to avoid.
So it's wait a minute. So it's the lack of clearance on the front.
Correct. Yeah.
Okay, because my BMW, if you look at it, is low too, and I'm telling you, when I pull up in a parking lot, if it's got those.
You stay back.
Yeah, because one time I hit them.
Yeah. Yeah. I don't want you.
But
to
it
hit.
doesn't show.
Well.
It didn't show. Evidently I did it the right way. Whatever. No, but once you get to driving it, it's no big deal.
Yeah.
And Gina won't drive this?
Hell,
I'd drive
She
it.
might. She'd probably drive this because, I mean, I might modify the exhaust a little bit.
Why?
And it'll make it kind of like right now there's a second set of catalytic converters on it that kind of make it a little more toned down. And so when you get it.
Ryan?
Okay.
Hang on.
Okay.
So you're waiting for that front
Yeah,
to come up.
exactly,
I understand
yeah.
what you're saying.
And if you take a mirror off, it's not cheap to fix. Just so you know.
No, I'm just saying you got a blind spot.
Well, yeah.
There's a blind spot with that mirror, and I have one a little bit, although I can get used to driving
I think
it.
there's a way to fold the mirrors in.
It's not the folding in; it's the where
Oh,
it
yeah.
is.
You think you got it? You want me to get out?
Well, if you will, since it's your
Yeah.
car, you better get out. Oh God, this! Oh my God!